Hi, thanks for joining us. We're going to answer a question that we get asked quite a bit here at 3dcart, and that is how to add a logo to your store. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have our brand new store, and I'd like to add my own logo to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the online store manager so that I can get to those areas of it where I would upload my logo. So that is going to be found in Settings, Design, Header, and Footer. Now in header and footer, there are three areas. There's the store name, the store slogan, and a little field right down here for the store logo. Whatever I specify here for the picture will be used as my logo. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Browse button right here, and that will bring up my file manager where I can navigate to that image. Or if I haven't uploaded it yet, I can click here on Upload Files to do that. But I've already added my own logo here, so I'm going to select it right here, and we'll save changes. And now when we view our store and refresh it, there's my brand new logo applied to the store. So it's real easy to upload my own logo. Now an alternate way of adding my own logo is to use the global header of the 3dcart online store manager. And that will allow me to specify my image as well. So let's have a look at that as well. Below these three fields, the store name, slogan, and store logo, you have a section called Global Header. It's turned off by default because anything that I put in this box will override these three fields. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to save changes. And now when I refresh my storefront, you'll notice that I have no logo, no slogan, nothing in that area. That's because whatever I type in here is going to replace that. Now this particular box can take either straight text or HTML coding. Now if you don't know HTML, there's nothing to worry about because you have access to the WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG is an acronym, actually. It stands for What You See is What You Get. And when you turn it on, what it does is it takes this area where you would normally type in text, and it turns it into a sort of word processor kind of an environment. So anything I type in here, now I can format it in HTML. So there is a link here for an image, so I'm going to specify that very same image that I added a few seconds ago. There we go. Let's insert that, and there you go. There's my brand new logo, and I can even write stuff under it. And because I'm using WYSIWYG, I can format this text however I please. So we'll make it a nice bigger font here, and let's make it a little bit thicker. There we go. And if I were to turn off WYSIWYG mode, it actually shows me the HTML that was created for that. So let's go ahead and save these changes here. And let's take a look at our site now. And there's my logo with my little slogan written right under it using WYSIWYG. Now one thing you may have noticed when I was editing my logo in WYSIWYG mode is the fact that this logo doesn't look very good against a white background. Well, the reason for that is because the logo image itself is using a transparency. I favored that because I wanted to have it look nice against the dark background of my store. However, the problem with that is if I were to apply the same logo for my invoices, I run into the issue of having a white background, and it doesn't look that good. So for that reason, we made it so that you can add a separate logo just for your invoices. And the way to do that is by going to Settings, General, and Merchant Information. Down at the very bottom of it, you'll be able to specify your invoice logo, and it's basically the same process as adding your own logo. You just click on the Browse button, and then you navigate to the file that you have as your alternate logo. So we'll click on Save Changes here. And now, with any luck, we have a brand new logo for just the invoices, and it has a better contrast to the white background. So hopefully that explains how to upload a logo to your site. It's real easy. We try to make it as easy as possible. So if you have any questions, as always, please give us a call. Let us know. We're open 24/7, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.